Welcome to One Click Auto Auction. You can now buy and sell without auction fee.
The 2023 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Premium in White Knuckle Clearcoat is a powerful and stylish SUV that is sure to turn heads on the roads of Waco, Texas. This model comes with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that produces an impressive 710 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. The exterior of this Durango features a striking white knuckle clearcoat paint job that gleams in the Texas sun. The body is accented with sleek black accents and a bold SRT Hellcat badge, giving it a sporty and aggressive look. The Durango rides on 20-inch black alloy wheels that further enhance its dynamic appearance. Inside, the Durango SRT Hellcat Premium offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin with premium leather upholstery and heated and ventilated front seats. The driver and passengers can enjoy the latest technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, as well as a premium sound system. Safety features in this Durango include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers on every drive. Overall, the 2023 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Premium in White Knuckle Clearcoat is a high-performance SUV that offers style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology for drivers in Waco, Texas. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe the channel and stay tuned.